everybody. Tara and
Sean.
your hashtag Just Saying podcast team.
Us.
We are back at Fort Revere.
In Hull, Mass.
Go to Hull! In Hull, Mass. It's practically deserted. We're going to check it out. So here we go.
All right, let's go.
Woo. Oh, I caught you. Let me see if I can get this full thing. So apparently, we deserve happiness. Why not? Most people do. I'm sure if they run past Sean, he'll be very, very excited to see them. Oh no, you guys. The floor is lava. There we go. Came from this way. So going this way. Let's not go up there yet. Let's go up this way. So, this is the second time we've been here. Fancy meeting you, sir.
I thought you were gonna come around this side.
What side? That side?
Over here.
Oh, that would have been too funny.
I just said the camera. That's camera.
So, this is the second time we've been here.
Let's get her.
Fancy meeting you, sir.
I thought you were gonna come around this side.
What side? That side?
Over here.
Oh, that would have been too funny.
I just said to the camera. Let's get her.
Well, I heard somebody walking, so
Well, it's a little hard to be quiet when you're walking on broken glass all over the place.
yeah.
Two more girls just came by,
Yeah.
but they're older. They seem quiet. It seems like they're just kind of walking through.
It's still
I almost-
nicer than when we came last time.
A lot. I think last time we had some kids walking through here, like
Yeah.
screaming because they want to hear the echo.
Yeah.
But
Oh, it's still there. Perfect.
so she He did some graffiti one time.
You have a brother.
Yeah.
Wait, what did you say?
That's what Tara came over here to see. So, like I said earlier, I don't mean to sound like a cranky old guy, but you know, when you think you have the place to yourself, and you're shooting video like this, it's nice to have it to yourself. But it's almost like these girls are following me around. Like the first time, I felt like the guy and his two daughters were probably following me around, but it's just a coincidence, but it feels that way. Okay, we go down here and go to the right. But to finish what I was saying, I don't mean to sound like a cranky guy, but when you're filming like this, and you think you got the place yourself, then you get excited and happy. And my digital recorder just went on in my pocket.
Is anyone here roaming the grounds?
No, there ain't. Just us. Nobody here with us. That was from a previous place that we went to a long time ago.
Last time Sean and I were here, it was one of our very first shoots. There you are again, god damn it!
Get off my lawn, Memo.
There you are again, god damn it!
Get off my lawn, Memo.
Paint your goddamn house, Ricky. I remember outside of the camera, and said, the last time that we were here was one of our first shoots. So we were like I had a camera issue. I ended up only getting like 10 minutes of footage if. And then we were in here and it was so dark and we didn't think to bring lights or anything.
We were so unprepared.
Yeah. So it was like the footage from here. No way. Did your light not working?
You know what? My guess? This is probably on in my bag for a long time. Because when I bought this, it was working. Okay. Note to anybody out there that does what we do. Check all your equipment, make sure anything with batteries is working before you go on your hunt or your adventure. Because I think the light that I have in my pocket, that I got at Five Below, is probably sitting in my bag on at one point until the batteries died.
Yeah.
So I'm moving on this way where there's more light. Well, we didn't exactly startle her like I was hoping to, but Marco! Marco! Woo!
Annoying. Alright, then I'm going this way. If that's how you want to live. I don't know what that means. Okay, guys, so I'm actually looking for Sean. And what's messed up is, of course, I wasn't recording, but I was walking over here, and I heard, well, now I'm hearing people, but there was nobody here before, and it sounded like footsteps, like the crunch, like this, like that. So I figured it was Sean. So I came in here because we've been kind of running into each other, and he's been trying to scare me, so I thought I could get him. And there's nobody over here. And that's kind of weird. It's really nobody here. Of course. But I mean, like, as far as people walking around, I was walking on the outside, and I had been sitting. So if somebody had walked in here from the front, I would have seen them. Not necessarily from the back, but if they had come in from the back, I would have seen them when I stopped over here. I don't know. It was kind of weird, but let's continue trying to see if we can find Sean, because all right, I hear him. He's around here somewhere. Marco! Shit. God damn it. Damn it, Mahoney. Okay, he's not this way. Let's come back down. Ah. Okay. So we looked in that side. He's got to be this way. Jesus. We're back. We're back, Big Daddy. Sean. Sean. Whoa, here we go. Where the hell are you? I can hear his voice, I can't see him. I think he's this way. There he is. Hey, I've been trying to find you. You'd think, but I did. Okay, hang on a second. I'm gonna have a conversation with Sean.
Okay, so we're in one of the middle forts right now. So I heard two noises. One sounds like somebody walking, like boots on gravel, and the other was like the sound of leaves or crunching.
Yeah.
And there's nobody around. And I was a couple buildings over. She thought it was me, but it wasn't me.
It was not him. So I'm gonna stand someplace and just be quiet.
If there's any spirits walking around this building, I'd like to hear from you. My friend Tara said that she heard you walking around. If you can walk over here, give us a sign that you're walking around, that you're here. Come over and talk to me, these devices I'm holding. I'd appreciate it. Turn it around. Turn it around, walking. Walking, walking. Tara's the next room over.
What did you say? I heard my name.
I was just tagging noises.
Oh. Well, I wasn't moving. What'd you say?
Is that you?
No. What the fuck was that? What the fuck was that?
I don't hear anybody talking. I thought you just kissed something.
No, I didn't just see something. There's nothing on the fucking floor, dude. You go that way, I'll go this way.
Anybody?
No.
Nobody back here either.
Fuck.
I might be getting what I want. And so right now we are walking around the area. We heard the noise, just looking for anything that could have made that noise. I have both devices going so we can hear them. Yeah, people love putting that word on the wall.
Yeah.
See, there's all sticks in here.
Hang on 1 second. I need to stop. Alright, I need to stop recording. You're still rolling, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try something.
Nope.
I'm gonna try to rub it. That wasn't
It sound metallic.
it. It did. To me, it sounded like a glass bottle, but I guess it could have been a pipe too.
Or some type of a pipe-like thing. But it's it happened just as you were moving your foot. That's why I thought it was you.
No,
There's nothing here on the floor that's like a pipe or
no.
metal.
I was standing here. This was my path. I just went this way. That was weird.
It'd be fun to listen to this back on the video later on.
Oh, we definitely listened to that back later on.
Right now I am 8 minutes and 15 seconds into this.
Yeah?
The noise probably happened around 5 or 6 minute mark.
And that guy
Maybe
was down
soon.
there.
Mm-hmm.
He was down there.
That noise sound like it happened in this room?
It did. I'm telling you, this room, this is so. You can tiptoe.
You can with a glass.
I don't think there's much way to sneak up on somebody in here.
No, I've been trying with you.
And I keep hearing you, which is why I stopped at the thing, because I thought you were in here fucking around. Alright. I don't know what to say.
I'm going to hang in here for a few more minutes and
Okay.
try.
Well, alright, I'm gonna be in this room.
Alright.
Right here.
You give me a lookout.
Yeah, well, that's my plan. But one or the other, and see what's going on.
I can hear the fly again.
Actually, I'm gonna start walking this way, so any footsteps I see, still me. That's all I need. So,
Teaching her good. Tag noises. That's what I learned from Ghost Adventures.
what?
I was making a memo or mental note for anyone watching our video that if you're trying to do what we're doing right now, any noise that you make, tag it.
I'm trying.
I was saying to the video that I've taught you well. You're over there tagging your own shit. Like, hey. So when you go back and you don't tag it, and you watch it, you think something paranormal happened, but it was really you.
It's a plane or something. Bad plane.
One of many. So there's the car. There's Tara arriving at the car. Put stuff down. It's getting hot and a little crowded here now. We're about to leave, but here's the pan shot I've been talking about doing. So this is building 1, way to the right.
I moved up in the world.
Figure that. Finally.
So, building 1. Building 2. Three, 4. If you go back and watch the footage again, or if you're watching it for the first time, building 4, 3, 2, 1. And I just noticed on top of 1 there's a bench. Enjoy the view. I'll give you that view and then we're done for the day. Or, if we put this at the beginning of the film, get ready to check out the fort. And this is Fort Revere. It's a lot better than last year. Here we go.
Okay, you guys, so that was, sorry, oh my god. So that was our,
October.
it is, that was our second trip at Fort Revere. Hope you liked it. We got a lot more footage this time.
Yep.
A lot less people.
Yay.
So,
I like it.
check out our weekly podcast, hashtag just saying.
Yeah.
We post up, you are, we post up every late Friday night. You can catch it on iTunes, SoundCloud, and Stitcher. Okay, I'm gonna shut up. Sean's got something to tell you.
You.